Welcome to Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. So I just got this delivered on the porch. Super excited. I love getting new parts in the mail. So roll that intro and let's find out what this is. Alright, so we just got this box. I ordered it earlier in the week and it got here pretty quick. Got my little letter opener right here. A new seat. Alright, so I just got my Saddlemen seat in today. We're gonna install it, and I plan on putting a couple 100 miles on my bike and with the seat, and then I'll finish my review. But first, let's get this thing installed. Alright, first thing we gotta do is cut off the stickers. I'm getting stickers in the mail. And love getting them with parts, just like anybody else out there, I'm sure. And then it's got this little tab right here: remove, rotate, reattach, and install. So I'm just gonna, the tab right here, I'm just gonna take that off and flip it real quick. I believe they just flip it like that just to improve shipping. Alright, so it's already flipped and now it's time to install on a bike. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the backrest, so that way we can get to the seat with ease. That's removed. And I'm going to pop this off. All it is just one bolt. Slide it off. So, this is a great seat. The only issue I have with it is it doesn't do too well with me on long trips. Alright, here's the new seat. I'm sure you'll notice it doesn't have white stitching. I didn't want to wait as long as it takes to get white stitching because they're back ordered right now. And I know my El Rey has the white stitching. I plan on getting a new pad for that with a custom Barricade logo stitched on it, and I'm just going to have the threads match this one. So, installing it, just get it in here. There's a spot right here where it connects to on the frame, so it's not too bad. Alright, it's in there. Alright, we got the rubber washer. I'm gonna put that on the frame. Then we got this bolt. I got a rubber washer on this as well. Alright, it's in there nice and tight. Now put the backrest back on. Alright, there you have it. Saddlemen seat install. Very, very simple. It's probably like a 1 out of 10 on, that's one of the easiest installs you could do. So stay tuned. I'm gonna fast forward to a couple 100 miles and then I'll give you my review on the seat. And I'm really excited to get riding with this thing. So 3 weeks on the saddle, and I have to say this is the best investment I've made on this bike to date. It's really, really comfortable. I've heard about a break-in period, and I didn't feel like the beginning it was rough or hard or anything. Like, I absolutely love how it feels. I love the lumbar support as well, and I give this upgrade a 10 out of 10. So if you guys are looking to buy a seat, I highly recommend the Saddlemen 2-up seat. So my next investment in this bike, I'm thinking, is going to be some suspension for the rear. So we'll be doing that here soon. And as always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.